Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I'm on the Harbor Freight website showing you their instant savings deals good through April 10th right now. Now first up from Pittsburgh Pro is this 3/8 of an inch drive 5 to 80 foot click torque wrench. This is 25% off at $14.99 and you're saving 61% off based on the Tecton comparable tool. Now we have the Hardy latex dipped work gloves in medium. You can get them in whatever size. It's $149. You're going to be saving 25%. These were originally $199 and now they're down to $149. Now this is a 50% off deal from Pittsburgh. You get the 1/4 inch and 3/8 of an inch drive Starbit socket set. It's a 9-piece set. $4.99. These were $9.99. So 50% off. And these can easily replace Torx fasteners. This is a pretty good deal on this one. Now Bauer, this is the 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets at $11.99. You're saving 29%. This is obviously easy to carry, store, and transport a lot of your nice tools. And they're actually comparing this to the Amazon Basics where you're still saving 40%. And now coming in at $11.99 on this product. Now from Hallmaster, this is a 400-pound capacity tie downs. It's a 4-pack, 1 inch by 6 foot, coming in at $6.99. You're saving 30% here. And it was $9.99, now down to $6.99 here. So good for some basic tools if you're carrying around some. They have a miter saw and like another saw here in the back of a truck. Just some nice tie downs you can use here. Now from Pittsburgh Pros, this 1/4 inch drive 2 to 200 in-pound click torque wrench. $14.99, you're saving 21%. And compared to the Tecton brand, you're saving 70%. Guys, if you find value out of these kinds of videos, go ahead and leave a like. It would really help to get 200 likes on this video. Now from Fortress, this is a 6-gallon, 175 PSI high performance job site air compressor. This is $149.99. You're saving $10, was $159. So this is going to deliver 40% more runtime, they're saying, than similar job site air compressors. Now this is a 10-foot by 12-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp at $18.69. It was $21.99. You're saving 15%. And here they're saying you get dual protection from the extreme elements from rain and sun. Now from Merlin, this is a 3/8 of an inch by 50-foot rubber air hose at $19.99. You're saving 20% and 44% if you compare it to Husky. Now this is a magnetic hook set. It's a 4-pack. These are magnetic hooks for the home, shop, or workplace. They're saying you can see they've got some lightweight things that they're holding up here, like a tape measure, some cords, and even some wrenches here. Next up, we have the Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun with regulator. This is $19.99. You're saving 33%. It was $29.99. Now these are some big grip bucket blue shop towels. If you work in a mechanic shop or just on your car lot, these could be helpful. At $10.99, they were $14.99, so you're going to be saving 26% here. And based on the seller's brand, you're saving 60%. Now this is a full coverage disposable protective suit. This is extra large or double XL at $7.99. You're saving 27%, and this is great if you're doing a lot of paint jobs, especially if you're spraying the paint. That can be very helpful because you had those fine particles that may get everywhere. And speaking of that, we have some Grant's double XL Ultimate Microfiber Drying Towels. Now I thought these were small from the picture, but these are double XL, so it's actually a large, massive towel that you can dry your whole car with or whatever you're gonna do. $4.99, you're saving 50% on this one. So it was $9.99. This is a really big savings on this deal here. So next up, we have this Pittsburgh 6-inch ratcheting bar. It's a clamp spreader at $3.29. You're saving 17%. It was $3.99. So you can convert this bar clamp into a spreader in seconds, but mainly you would be using it to clamp things together if you're gluing, using wood glue, things like that. This is a standard paint kit. It's a 9-piece kit. You're gonna save 15% on this at $10.99. It was $12.99 here, just for some standard DIY projects. Now McGraw has this 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench for $39.99. You're saving 20% or $10 here. And this can deliver 900 pounds of bolt breakaway torque for fast nut and bolt removal, especially if you're working on a car, your tires, things like that. This is a 1/2-gallon multi-purpose sprayer. This is lightweight and great for gardens and small little jobs at $3.99. You're saving 20%. It was $4.99, so you're basically saving $1 here. This is great, and I actually was thinking of picking one up just for some pollen on like 1 or 2 items on her porch, so might be a good idea for that. Now this is a Pittsburgh oil pan with spout. You've got an instant savings here of 33%. It's down to $5.99. It was $8.99. Now from Merlin, you've got this air blowgun with extensions. It's a 5-piece set. You're gonna save 22%. It's now $6.99. It was $8.99. So if you need to get in like some hard to reach areas, this could be beneficial. Now from Doyle, this is a 7-inch professional rafter square. It's $8.99. You're saving 18%. Was $10.99. They're saying this laser etched aluminum rafter square has continuous scribe notches and unit conversions. Now this is an L-shape hang all 2-pack. It's $3.99. You're saving 20% here. It was $4.99. And I'm not sure why the bottom of this picture is like pixelated. Now from Warrior, this is a 7-amp 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander at $27.99. You're saving 20%. And this has a powerful 7-amp motor, and it says it's designed for aggressive sanding. They're using this here next to some trim on the floor, prepping the floor, I guess. From Storehouse, you've got this portable storage case. It has 8 adjustable dividers, so if you need to put different screws or small objects in here, this would be a nice way to do that. At $4.99, you're going to be saving 28% here. It was $6.99, so you're saving $2. Now from Pittsburgh, I actually wanted to pick up this one. It's a 24-inch I-beam level. Only $4.99. It was $6.99. You're saving 28%. And this is good for accurate adjustments, hanging things and pictures. And this is good through with 410. Hey guys, let me know in the comments if there's anything you think would be good for you to pick up. This is the titanium 7-square-inch auto darkening welding helmet. This is a look at the inside. This is going to be $69.99. You're saving $10 or 12%. And this is an auto darkening welding helmet. It says it uses true color tech for the clearest view possible. From Bauer, you got this 6-amp 3-inch high-speed electric cutoff tool for $27.49. This is going to be 21% off with their instant savings deals, and you're able to get some fast, accurate cuts with sheet metal, and they've got some exhaust tubing on this as well to protect you, and they're using it here with a little vise. Now these are cool. This is some 4-inch stacking tilt bins. These are great if you have some little small pieces that you want to block these all together. These are $1.99, and I think they were $2.99, so they're going to be 33% off. And I like how in the picture how they stored them all together and attached them to the little backboard here. You can put some screws and nuts in them. From Hercules, now they have these 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sanders with soft start. These are going to be $32.99. You're saving 26%. They were $44.99. And they do provide a smooth, swirl-free finishes, they're saying. It's like a tongue twister for some reason. And next up, we've got this Pittsburgh 4.5-inch 80-pound suction cup lifter. $2.99, you're saving 33%. They were $4.49. And you can use these like on glass, tile, and really any smooth surface. From Pittsburgh, you have this pencil tire gauge at 99 cents. You're saving 16%, and this can get pressures up to 75 PSI. From Bauer, here is this 6-inch 320 grit hook and loop 6-hole pattern sanding disc. With those sanders, you can use this at $3.99. You're going to be saving 33%, and they fit all 6-hole sanders. Now this is from Hallmaster. This is a rubber wheel chock with eye bolt. Pretty high ratings at $11.99. This is going to be 14% off, and these are good just to place when you're doing maintenance on your car to make sure your car is not going to roll anywhere, and you've got that little nice eye bolt on it as well. Now from Voyager, you've got this 19-inch toolbox with top tray. $10.99. It's 15% off. They're comparing it to the Stanley, which is like $26 here. A nice little DIY toolbox that you can kind of carry around to some small jobs that you may need to work on. Not the best quality, but something that you can carry around and just work on some DIY projects from time to time. And guys, I just went to the website and checked. These are the instant savings deals. You don't need a coupon for these. You just go straight in the store, and these are already labeled, and you can pick out your deal that you want to use. So I hope this video helped, guys, and go ahead and check out this next one that I have down below.